Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are building a complete AI agent system that can make call on your behalf and close clients for you. So I did a first video about how to do some kind of sales agent. It was pretty simple, pretty basics with Python and Nextjs, where you had a front end and you can just click and talk to the AI about your call offering and product. But today we want to go far more beyond that and create a complete system that can automate your call on your back using AI agents. So taking a lot of time. Seems like it works. So now I wait for the call. Fine. I just got the call. So let's get it. Hello.
Good morning, afternoon, Mr. McMillan. This is Amelia from Uleaf AI. I'm reaching out to discuss how our cutting-edge AI solutions can drive innovation and enhance Walmart's operation. At Uleaf, we specialize in rapidly developing AI-powered applications tailored to your unique needs.
Yes.
Our AI integration services could...
Yes. No. Moment, please. I don't know what you're talking about, okay? Can you be more specific? What exactly are you calling me for?
I'm calling to discuss a potential collaboration between Walmart and Uleaf AI. Specifically how our AI services can help enhance your operations and improve customer experience.
Okay.
For example, we can implement AI...
Okay. I understood. I am pretty busy as a CEO. I'm extremely busy.
I completely understand, Mr. McMillan. I'll keep this brief then.
Okay.
Would you be available for a quick follow-up call next week to discuss a personalized proposal for Walmart? Perhaps Wednesday or Thursday.
Why will I have a follow-up with you? What is it about?
It's about how our AI services can help Walmart improve operational efficiency, enhance customer experience, and drive business growth. I'd be happy to send over some information, and we can discuss it further on the follow-up call.
Okay. You know what? You can send me more. Yeah, you can do that. You can send me a brief overview, and it will be an exciting video. I saw a lot of feedbacks about the other video, a lot of people contacting me and trying to see how they can make it a real product. I hope this video will help all these people and also people that really want to learn a bit more about AI agents and also AI agent call automation. So get started. So let me just quickly present, do a quick tour of all the tools we'll be using in this video and how it will look like. So here you will see some kind of graph. I will explain it a bit later of how our whole system will be, what the simple interface will be, what the simple process will also be for the development process. And let me just explain a bit more what we'll be doing. So I will pick a product. I'll pick a service offering, compile the service offering into a single prompt, feed it to the AI, and let the AI be able to brainstorm alone. Like you gave this AI your core service offering and the company you want to contact. So the AI will go from all the company, will go and search for this company online, look for any information it can find about this company, brainstorm some ideas, compacting your core offering and the company values or services to see how your company can help this company, right? So, and it will brainstorm and create 3 main ideas and 3 main enhancements that your product can provide to this company, and then pass that to a call agent. And this call agent will actually call your customer and say, hey, name, how are you doing? This is what we're doing. This is our service, and this is how we can improve your service or your product. So this is what we were doing today. And in terms of product, we just choose one of our products, just launching AI MVP in 30 days. We compiled this. I gave it to ChatGPT to compile it into a single text. I think you can see it here. Somewhere here. Yes, you can see it here. You do this is the services and all that. So the process is pretty simple. Just feed the URL to OpenAI and ask to resume it into a single prompt. The second part is actually this. We'll use this AI to make the video call, the audio call for us. So we'll not handle the phone API, will not handle the conversational API, the voice API, all that will be handled by this AI here. So our goal here is to create an agent that will give as much information as possible to this AI to be able to convince someone on the phone. And they have a pretty simple API. I think we'll just use the call API, passing the model, the task, the phone number, and then waiting for the call. And now in terms of AI agents, we have a lot of choices. We have AutoGen, we have CrewAI, and we have Langgraph, or Langchain in general, like the Langchain ecosystem. But I just went on Google Trend and tried to see which framework is the most popular right now, and it seems like it's Langgraph, so we'll be using Langgraph for this video. But you can do the same with AutoGen or with CrewAI. The agent part is actually quite simple, so replicable in other frameworks. So it's something that you can do on your own with other frameworks. But right now we'll do it with Langgraphs. And here's Langgraph. Langgraph is just a pretty innovative way of building graph-based agents. So you can see somewhere, if I'm not wrong, in some tutorials here, how it works. You will see here that you have like a graph, and I actually explained it in my last video how it works. So you have a starting point, and you have multiple graphs and conditional age, and you can have like a really complex system that way, where people communicate with others based on conditions or direct calls. And here you have nodes as well. So it's actually a graph way of modeling AI agents. We'll also use this API here to connect to internet and search for all of the information we can have about our AI, right? And last, I have here just compacted prompt. So maybe I can just show it like this. The prompt for the researcher agents that will go online and search for more informations. The brainstormer agents that will actually get this information and create call offering for the company we're trying to call. The formatter engine that will actually just format the response, and then the call, the sales agent that will actually do the sales call. Okay. So with that said, I want to emphasize on something here. With these days, with everything going on, I think AI is taking a lot of space, right? And you can ignore AI, of course. So in this video, in my last video, I did everything without any AI, just coding. But I think for people that want to learn more, you need to put AI into a workflow. So here, we'll try as much as possible to automate a lot of the development process with AI. For example, the UI, some debugging, or I will try to integrate AI as much as possible and code as less as possible. So you see a bit how you can create a complete product just using AI products and a bit of coding. Okay, so let's get started. Let me quickly explain the structure to you. So here you can see that you have an input request. The input request will contain all the information we may have about the company we want to contact. It can be the name of the person we are trying to contact, the phone number, maybe the industry, whatever you can find about the person, okay? As well as the website. The website is pretty important here. And what we will do is that we'll pass that, the first step is to pass that to the, let me just make this a bit bigger. We'll pass that to the web search agent. The web search agent will go online and say, okay, I have this website. What are they offering? It will gather as much information as possible about the company. So this web search agent is actually a tool that will go online, scrap information, come back with it, and the LLM will actually compile it in a way that we can use it in our product, okay? And the second step is actually to go to the brainstorming agent. We'll say, okay, this is our core offering. This is what the company is doing. I want you to brainstorm and find ideas. What can we do? How can we improve your process? And this AI agent will actually, okay, this is multiple ideas. This is what you can do to improve this area of the product. And we come back with all this information. We say, okay, content agent, graph this as a sales speech, okay? You will specify the company information, specify the person, specify how we can improve your product, and everything you can have that can actually look like a sales speech, right? And then when we finish with this part where we actually do this sales pitch, we just call our API, our call API, that will do, okay, this is all the information you need to know about the company and ourselves, and this is your instructions, which means you try to convince a person, you try to make the person book a call or book a meeting, whatever you may want the person to do, you can actually specify it in the prompt that will pass to the call maker. And this call maker will use the bland.ai API that I just presented previously. Okay, and with that said, this is a really base version of this product, making it really reliable. It's like you need to code much more than what we will be doing in this video. So I wanted to have a pretty simple interface where you just have a website, phone number, more information about the person you're trying to contact and the company, and then you just click on a button and the person get a call. I think this is a pretty good MVP for this product. And with that said, we have here also a process of development process. So we'll have first a really basic front end. We can use V0, we can use Bolt, whatever may suit here. I think we will just use V0 or maybe Bolt. I don't really mind. And then at the end, at the second stage, we'll create and test our AI agents, which is actually the most important part of this video. We'll actually do that locally. So we'll create the graphs, the nodes, visualize, make sure everything's good, test it, and make sure the output, the sales pitch, because at the end, all we want is to have the perfect sales pitch to pass to the other AI for calling. And we'll make sure that this works. And then the last part, we'll just create an API call between our front end and the API to make sure, okay, when we get the information, we create a sales pitch, we pass it to the call AI, and this call AI just make the call for us, okay, and we'll test if that works. And at the end, we'll just do some basic overall testing, right? Okay, so let's get started.